lost in a cave, no food for 14 days, but you somehow find food. Which one would you pick? Five Guys burgers, hot chocolate, fried rice and dumplings, chicken Alfredo.